Thank you, and thank you for joining us tonight. We hope you've enjoyed the basketball coverage. We're beginning now with a story you'll see only on 7 News. It's been 5 months since an Abbeville County school bus crashed on the way back from a field trip. That crash sent more than 20 children and adults to the hospital.
Now, after examining state records, we know what caused the crash. 7 News reporter Kirsten Glaven's been following that investigation. She joins us now with these new details. Kirsten.
According to the report, cameras in the bus showed the driver with her seatbelt on, both hands on the wheel, and without a cell phone. Everything appeared normal. But when she drifted out of her lane and struck a curb, what she did next is what investigators believe caused the bus full of children to go out of control. It was a school field trip that ended in horror.
It's hurting bad.
More than 20 students, teachers, and chaperones taken to the hospital after their Abbeville County school bus crashed last October.
I just remember flying and hit my head.
Now, 5 months later, 7 News has obtained the results of the investigation by Highway Patrol, detailing how it happened. According to the report, there were no mechanical issues with the bus, nor were there problems with the road. Instead, it was the actions of the driver, Donna Mundy Link, that investigators believe led to the crash.
The vehicle, the school bus, was traveling south on US 25 when it ran off the right side of the road.
An analysis shows that Link hit a curb and slammed on the accelerator. The bus then struck a mailbox, a utility pole, and a fence before landing in a ditch. The report shows it was the engine control module that recorded full throttle 6 seconds before impact. In Link's recorded statement, she said she thought she was hitting the brake.
Upon the completion of the investigation of the collision, the driver was charged with too fast for conditions.
Link, an employee of just under a year, was initially placed on administrative leave and has since been terminated, according to the school district superintendent. Although she was not recorded speeding, Highway Patrol says she was charged for losing control of the bus.
It means that you're driving too fast at the time to maintain control of your vehicle and operate it in a safe manner.
We did reach out to several people who were on the bus at the time of the accident. One parent says she has filed a personal injury claim and her attorney advised her not to speak until it's settled. So still an ongoing process for a lot of people.
What about those injuries? I mean, a lot of kids had to go to the hospital. Remind us how serious those injuries were, and do you know how they're doing now?
Yeah, so there were a range of injuries from this. Some were quite serious, none were life-threatening. Others, some people went to the hospital just as a regular checkup after this bus crash. But a lot of people were sent, and among the injured was the bus driver. She had one of the more serious injuries and was in the hospital for several days. So there was a range there. But as far as people doing now, we do know that when we checked in several weeks after, people were getting better and were being treated for those injuries.
That's certainly the most important thing. Kirsten, thank you.